How to change nickname in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily change your nickname in T3 Arena game step by step. First things first, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device. Once you do that, from the home screen or the lobby screen of T3 Arena, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open the player info section. From the player info section, go to the top right and click on these three dots. Now from the menu, click on Edit Nickname. Go ahead and enter your new nickname you want to change to. In order to change your name again, you'll need to spend 60 diamonds or gems. If you have it, click on the 60 button and click on Confirm, and with this you will be able to change your name. If you are changing your name for the first time, then you can easily do so, but if you want to change it again, you need to spend some gems. So that is how you easily change your nickname in T3 Arena and personalize your identity in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.